Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily reply to a comment on TikTok with a video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open TikTok application on your device. Now when you go to the comment section of another creators and try to reply to any one of their comments, you will see that there's no option to reply with a video. As you can see, at add comment section, you don't see the option of video camera. So if you want to reply to a comment with a video, simply go to your own video because of the privacy issue. And as you can see, when you click on add comment, there's a video camera option in the left hand side. Simply click on it. Make a video to reply the comment. After you are done, click on tick option, edit the video and click on next. After that, you can simply post it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.